Yeah, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, are you fine? Had your lunch?
Yes, sir, I have.
Oh, can I have your resume?
Yes, sir. Just a minute, sir.
So, Ketan, tell me something.
Sir, I like to take initiative. I also promoted two of the startup, naming Stomax and Mavericks India, which are running successfully right now in my college. And I also love to do coding in my free time. Recently, I did the coding for the Amazon on the Hacker Earth site. It was a very nice experience. They gave 2 questions and all. It was good. And meanwhile, in my free time, I used to do gym, and I'll do drawing as a to increase creativity and all. I like to do shadings also. I love it.
Okay. So, Ketan, I would like to know that why you opted for ECE branch.
So from my 6th class, after my secondary class, I used to repair my home appliances.
Okay.
And when I was doing that, I also, after completing my 12th class, I repaired many of the things at my home. So I asked my dad what to choose. So he made me to talk to his superior, who is a technical officer. My father is serving in defense.
Okay.
And he said me that my father's superior, the technical officer, he consulted me, if you are very good at electronics things and all, you should go for EC, as he was also from the EC background and all. So that was a very nice advice. That's why I opted for EC actually.
Okay, that's nice. So, you are a student of ECE branch. Then why are you opting for IT field?
In my first year, there used to be a technical events in our college. So our college mostly promote technical event just to increase the skills of any student. So I participated in coding exam as it was one of our subject in our academics in my first BTech. So I participated in that. I didn't won, but in the first round, I was at the first rank in that competition. So I felt very motivated in that I can do coding also. I can explore new things.
Okay.
So I after that started doing coding also. And as a result, I cleared the code bit, and right now I'm here for the interview, sir.
Okay.
That was a very nice experience.
Now, Ketan, I would like to know about your project and what was the idea behind choosing that particular project?
Yeah. So our project was waste segregation using conveyor belt. I wanted to execute this project from first year only, but in our 6th semester we got the chance. So our plan was we will use one conveyor belt,
Okay.
and in that there will be shafts and all. If any waste will be provided at one side, the conveyor belt will let it pass through some chambers and all. That chamber will decide whether it is a metallic or non-metallic. First of all, it will decide whether it is a dry or wet. So again, in dry, if it is wet, then it will directly, that shaft will take that wet to the wet container.
Okay.
But if it is a dry waste, sorry sir, if it is a dry waste, then it will directly take it to the metallic and non-metallic chamber. In that, if it is a metallic, then using a magnetic field and all and shaft, we will take that thing to the metallic container. Else, it will directly we will dump that thing into the non-metallic chamber.
Okay, so I understood your idea. So, Ketan, are you comfortable working at different places and at different shifts?
Yes sir, actually I am flexible to work anywhere. I discussed about this thing to my father, as he is a defense person. I consulted my parents also.
Okay.
My father said yes, you should go for different place just to improve your skills and all. But my mother, actually I'm youngest in my home, so she was like mera beta and all. So she was actually, but at the end my father said it's okay, you can go, we will come and we will meet you. So you are free to work any place.
And at different shifts?
Yes sir, I am flexible to do work at. Sir, regarding the shift, whenever I used to work, I never consider the time.
Okay.
If I like the work, if I love it, I can do it. I don't care about my time also, because at home also, and as I am staying right now in hostel, I used to study till night 3. Just to improve, because my roommates used to shut off the light also, but I'll be I will work under the laptop light.
Okay.
I love it sir, I love to work.
Okay, that's good. So Ketan, you have mentioned that you are quite good at handling pressure. So I would like to know that how you will be able to handle pressure in the company.
Actually, in our college, sir, we have to write our lab sheets and all. At the end of the semester, we have to submit our all the lab sheet by the last week, which is on the Saturday, and from Monday we are having exam. Even though and the worksheet will be around more than 40.
Okay.
But even though if I can do that thing and along with that I'm not getting any backlog and I'm getting good marks, I think I can manage and I can handle good pressure anywhere. I can handle any pressure in any condition. I can do it.
So Ketan, let me explain you about the bond system with the company. When you will be joining the company, you will have to sign a 1-year bond. And in case for whatsoever reason, if you break that bond, then you will have to pay 50,000 to the company. So are you comfortable with the bond process?
Sir, why will I leave? Actually, I need one platform. If I'll get a good platform to work on, I'll definitely not leave if I love the work. And today also, sir, I came with the hope that I'll get a digital, because as I know, sir, in digital we are getting a good platform to work on and it will improve my skill. And as everybody thinks, and according to me also, like if I'll improve my skills, it will indirectly helps the company.
Okay.
So if company will grow, I'll grow, and if I'll grow, indirectly the company will again grow.
Okay.
And I work also hard, so I think I'm good to go, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir, I want to say something.
Yeah, please.
Sir, actually today here many students came. We were waiting from morning to evening just to get a job.
Yeah.
Sir, today outside many students are there. Many students give daily n number of interviews.
Okay.
Just the thing is that they don't know the basic key feature of anything. Like they don't want to produce. They just want to earn. Like they need a package of 28 lakh package, 25 lakh package. But the key feature is that first you have to produce.
Yeah.
Like if you will produce, then only you can earn. But they just want to earn without producing only.
Okay.
So I'm basically I'm primarily a producer.
Okay.
So if I know one thing, that if I'm producing well, then company will take care of my earning.
Yeah.
And as I know, it doesn't mean that I don't care about earning. I know if I'm producing, you will take care of my earnings, sir. Company is good, so I have no fear to do that.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Ketan, that's all from my side. Still, anything is there which you would like to ask?
No, sir. Actually, okay, sir. I'm satisfied with my.
Okay, yes. Please take your resume.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
One second. Good day, sir. Take care.
Yeah, you too.